1966 Chevy pickup, short wheelbase, sitting on K5 chassis. Everything new. New drums in the rear, disc brakes in the front, lift kit. Looks like we left a little exhaust hanger on there. Brand new tires, new lights, new tailgate. Made with a lot of love. And it's a lot of truck. This thing's huge. Huge, I tell you. Trust me. Size of a king size bed. I'm gonna come back around. And as you'll see back here is where we put the relocated the fuel tank right there. Pretty cool, undercoated. Run around. All new windows and tracks. Nerf bars. Look at that baby. Bed mounts, body mounts, locking hubs. Sorry, I have to keep reminding myself to go slow. All new grade A bolts. Under the rockers are new. Inners and outers, fenders, rubber, windshield wipers, bumper. I'm gonna go start her up now. Now you get to hear the pleasure. Oh yeah, I think y'all can see that bad boy stroker engine right there being built. Yep, and that uncut beautiful Bronco over there. Yep, how we roll. Doors all good. Beautiful underneath. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's check out the lights. Boom. Interior dome lights work. And cluster lights work. Quick tail lights. Bling bling. And go around, little speaker system we put in. And let's go for engine start. Engine start. Here we go. Start it right up. Nice sound. Turn signals. When do you see the instrument cluster working on the run here? 4x4. Beautiful interior. Beautiful doors. Here's the rubber trim, by the way, in case anybody's looking. Yes, we have seals. Went around. Brand new dimmers. And nice little air horn. Nice windows, roll up and down really easy and nice. They could have been cleaner. Sorry, they're dirty. Go check out this beauty. Ooh. Hello, sunshine. Ain't she sweet? Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at all those beautiful chrome new harmonic balancer and main pulleys. Alternator spared no expense. Brand new transmission. The 350 Vortec with a brand new carburetor. All your lights are back on, looking real pretty. Ooh, this thing's a giant. It's a lot of value right here. An incredible amount of value. See if we can get. Ooh, sounds nice. See if we can get a little sound check. And let's see how she sounds. I think she sounds real nice. She goes back to a really good idle. think the spring's a little tired on the brand new horn, but we'll get that figured out. Very nice truck, great value. Thank you for looking. Shuts right off real nice too, by the way.